Imagine stepping into a world where you can predict the future. What if you could test different scenarios without any real-world consequences? That, my friends, is the power of simulation. It's like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, we use data and algorithms. Intrigued? You should be. But here's the catch. What exactly is simulation, and how does it work its magic? These are the questions that have baffled many for years. Don't worry, we're about to embark on a thrilling journey to demystify simulation. By the end of this essay, you'll have a solid understanding of this game-changing technology. Ready to dive in? Let's go. At its core, simulation is like creating a digital twin of a real-world system or process. Think of it as a virtual playground where you can experiment and analyze different what-if scenarios. Using mathematical models and algorithms, simulations mimic real-life behavior, allowing you to see how things might play out under various conditions. Why is this important, you ask? Well, imagine being able to test a new product design before manufacturing it or optimizing a complex supply chain without disrupting the actual flow of goods. That's the power of simulation. It empowers you to make informed decisions, reduce risks, and gain a competitive edge in today's fast-paced world. But what are the specific benefits and drawbacks of using simulation? Let's explore the two sides of this fascinating coin. Like any powerful tool, simulation comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with the good stuff. Simulation offers numerous benefits, including cost savings, risk reduction, improved efficiency, and enhanced decision-making. By virtually testing different scenarios, you can identify potential bottlenecks, optimize resource allocation, and avoid costly mistakes. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential downsides. Simulations are only as good as the data and assumptions they are built upon. Inaccurate data or unrealistic assumptions can lead to misleading results. Speaking of real-world examples, let's see how simulation is transforming various industries today. Section 4. Simulation in Action: Real-World Applications. Simulation has found its way into countless industries, revolutionizing the way we design, operate, and optimize complex systems. In healthcare, simulations are used to train surgeons, model disease outbreaks, and optimize hospital layouts. Manufacturing giants rely on simulation to design efficient production lines, minimize downtime, and optimize inventory levels. Think about Boeing, the aerospace behemoth. They use simulations extensively to test aircraft designs, optimize flight schedules, and train pilots in a safe and controlled environment. Another great example is Amazon, the e-commerce giant, which leverages simulation to optimize its warehouse operations, delivery routes, and overall supply chain efficiency. The possibilities are truly endless. But what does the future hold for simulation? Let's explore the exciting challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Section 5. The Road Ahead: Challenges, Future Trends, and Getting Started. As technology advances, simulation is reaching new heights. AI and machine learning make simulations more powerful. Expect realistic, data-driven simulations that adapt over time. Challenges include data accuracy, complexity, and ethics. Start by learning modeling, data analysis, and simulation software. Online courses and resources can help you get started. Simulations are crucial across many industries. Next, we'll explore building a smart factory with FlexSim. Like, share, and subscribe for more content on simulation. Visit LeanSimCorp.com to explore simulation software and services. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover. Happy simulating!